Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Alam. I hope you're all doing good. So in today's video, we're going to talk about schema markup. I'm going to be explaining you what is schema markup, different types of schema markup, how to check schema markup on any website, and importance of schema markup in SEO, and finally, how to implement schema markup in your website. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's begin. Alright, we are back on our computer screen. So what is schema markup? If you don't know what exactly is a schema markup, it is a code that helps search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing to understand your content and to better represent your content in search engine result page. For example, if you go to Google and type chocolate cake recipe and hit enter, you will get these results on top. So these are nothing but the recipe schemas. You can see the title of the recipe, then you can see the source of the website, and you can also see the ratings, and you have this estimated time to make this recipe and the ingredients. So let's say if I open this one, it will take me to that website and I can read about this recipe here. Now to check the actual schema, you have to access to the backend or the source code of this website. So how to do that? Just press Ctrl U and this will open a new tab where you can see all the source code of this website, and then press Ctrl F and search for schema here. You can see we have a lot of schemas here. Please note you can add multiple schemas to a web page. There's no problem with that. And let's search for this. You can see we have a schema here. So this is the schema I was talking about. This is the schema we have on this recipe. The type is recipe and the name of the dish is the most amazing chocolate cake and the author's name and etc. So this is how a schema would look like. Let me close this and go back to Google. So schemas are not limited to recipes only. There are different types of schemas like website schemas, breadcrumbs, person. You can also give a schema to organization like the logo, contract, address and everything. You have local business schemas, you have article schemas, then you have event schemas, product schema, the recipe schema which I just showed you, and you have job posting schemas and etc. Now let me give you another example. So I will go to search bar and type Samsung Note 20 Ultra. These are the ads, just ignore them. If you scroll down, you can see these results where you have the ratings and the odds, price and everything. So this is an example of product schema. If I open this website, you can see this is a Samsung website where I'm searching for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I will go to source code by pressing Ctrl U. And then Ctrl F and search for schema. You can see on the screen that the schema here is a product. So the type of schema is product. And you have the name, brand, price and review. So this is how a schema would look like on search engine result page. Now let me show you how you can implement schema markup in your website. You can implement schema markup using 3 steps. Step number 1 is to generate the schema markup. Step number 2 is to test your schema markup for errors, and step number 3 is to deploy it, to integrate it on your website using HTML, GTM or a WordPress plugin if you are using WordPress. So go to Google and type schema generator and hit enter. you will get this website called Technical SEO. Just open this link which says Schema Markup Generator. This is one of the most popular schema generator in the world. And here you have to select the schema type. So you have different schema for different websites, so you have to be very sure what schema you want to deploy on your website. Otherwise, you will mess up everything. For this demonstration, I will go with the website schema. I will select website, and here I will enter the website name and the website URL. And if you have an internet search URL, you can type that. I don't have one, so I'm just testing with this. And after you're done filling out these details, you can see on the right it is generating the code. So the next step is to test this code. So just click on this Google icon and select Structured Data Testing Tool. This will open a new window, and here just click on Validate. You can see on the screen this code has no errors and no warnings, so this code is perfect. Close this and just copy this code. Now you have 3 ways to deploy it. You can insert it using HTML. You can insert this code to your website using Google Tag Manager, and you can also insert this code using WordPress if you are using WordPress CMS. As I'm using WordPress CMS, I'm gonna show you some methods how you can implement this code. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Appearances and select Theme Editor. And on here, make sure you select the theme that you want to edit. And then find header.php. Here it is, header.php. And here in the header section of your website, you have to paste a code. So I will give this code in description. You can copy and paste this from the description. I will paste this code and then click on Update File. After you paste this code, go back to your WordPress dashboard and open Pages. Click on All Pages and select the page where you want to add the schema. For example, I want to add the schema to my home page. I will click on Edit. I will click on Screen Options and enable Custom Fields. I will scroll down and go to Add New Custom Field. I will click on Add New. I will give the name as Website Schema. And here in the value, you have to paste this code. Not this one. This is just for the theme editor. You have to paste the real code. Just copy it. Go back and paste this and click on Update Page. And now our page is updated. Since my page is under construction, I will turn this off. Now we have added a schema here. Now the last step is to check or validate the schema on your website. For that, just open a new tab and type Schema Testing Tool and go to this first result, which is Structured Data Testing Tool, and enter your URL here and hit enter. If you have any schema on your website, it will be shown here on the right. As you can see, it has detected 5 schemas on my website. Since my website is still under maintenance, I'm not able to show you the detailed schema of the website, but you can apply all this recipe, breadcrumbs and local and person schema to your website and test it for yourself. If you want more videos on search engine optimization, WordPress website designing and online marketing, you can explore my channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.